Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include bucket seats, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2019 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, aluminum wheels, traction control, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.